Do you need to create a logo for your business or personal brand? Well, coming up, I'm going to walk you through 5 different options that all cost less than $100, 2 of which could actually be free. What's up everyone? I'm Jeff, co-founder of TheFigCo. We want to help you grow your business online, so subscribe to our channel and be notified every time we put up a new video. So today we're going to talk about graphic design, and not just any graphic design, getting a logo done. So if you're a new business owner or want to get your personal brand online, this might be your first foray in getting any type of design work done for you. So it can be stressful, you're not sure what options to choose, maybe what you're looking at is really expensive. And so my recommendation here would be to get the logo done, don't spend a ton of money, get your website up, get cards made, get your social media accounts created. And if this is successful and really takes off and you have the budget later on, then really invest in hiring a graphic designer and putting a lot more time and effort and money into getting your perfect logo done. But if you're on a budget, if you're busy, for me, it's a matter of getting things in the done pile and moving on to the next thing on your list. So starting a business, you probably need a website, cards, social media, all those different things. And so what I want to do today is show you 5 different ways that you can create a logo for less than $100, and 2 of which are actually free. So the 5 different options I want to walk you through today are Squarespace, Wix, Fiverr, Logojoy, and Tailor Brands. So the first option I want to talk to you about today is Squarespace. If you're not familiar with Squarespace, it's an easy to use website builder. It's actually what our website is built with. We built a bunch of websites for our clients using it. We like it so much we actually even created a free course teaching you how to build your own website using Squarespace. I'm actually going to link to that up above. So if you don't have a website and you're looking to build it yourself, definitely recommend using Squarespace. Check out our course. Hopefully it'll help you out. But today I want to walk you through how their logo maker works. So if you go to squarespace.com and scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see logos. Or you can go to logo.squarespace.com. I'm actually going to put links in the description to all the different tools that we talk about today so you can easily find them. And for the example today, we're going to build a logo for my personal brand. So we're going to look for Jeff Thalen. And for some reason, I'm feeling like adding a raccoon to my logo. And so you can search for any type of icon you want. If you click on the text, you can change the font, the weight, the color, the style to make it italics, make it bold. We can make it red. And then you can add a tagline as well. And then if you go to save logo, what you'll see is to download the high resolution version of it. It's free for Squarespace customers, otherwise buy for $10. So this is great if you're using Squarespace to build your web page. You can get a logo right away that's not going to cost you anything. If you're using some other service for your web page or you don't need a web page right now, it only costs $10. So Wix is another website builder. It's very popular as well, similar to Squarespace. We don't use it as much, but it's definitely worth checking out if you're building your own website. They also do have a logo building tool, so why don't we check that out? Again, you can just scroll down to the bottom of their page. The difference here is I think you need to sign in. I'll just sign in with my Facebook. I don't have an account with them. And let's design my personal brand with no tagline. Personal site. Ooh, what describes me best? Dynamic, modern, timeless, formal, fresh. Let's just go with formal. Next. And then it wants me to choose the logos I like better out of these. And what do I want them for? Website, business cards, social media. Yeah. Next. And then here's a bunch of different options, probably the same thing as the others. It'll let me customize, choose the color scheme, the font that I want to use, the color of the text, add different shapes, change the background. If I go to next, I can get it now. Let's see. So if it's just a logo, there's 2 different options, basic for $20, advanced for $50. If I'm getting a website with Wix, I think it's included with just getting the website, they're going to throw in the logo. Of the 5 services we're talking about today, 4 of them are actually tools for you to build your own logo. Fiverr is a little bit different. It is a online marketplace where you can find a graphic designer to build a logo for you. This service actually started out as all the services were $5, hence the name Fiverr. Now there's a bunch of different price points and everyone kind of sets the price for the level of service that they're giving. But let's check out what the logo design looks like with Fiverr. So do I have something specific in mind, or I need a design partner? So let's say I know what I want. I want a flat design. I want to be able to edit it. I need to scale the logo. And so it's giving me a bunch of different options of designers that I could hire to make my logo. So let's say I like this one to start out with, top rated seller. So you can see here they've actually done 8,000 different works and they have 270 orders in queue. Wow. So their standard package is $65 for design a logo. So I will design 2 minimalist logo designs. You can have 4 revisions. So they basically give all the different terms here within each one of the profiles. So the standard one is $65. They have a premium that's $125 and a basic for $25. Actually, I did a video using Fiverr to create a thumbnail for a YouTube video. I'm actually going to link to that up above as well. You can check that out if you want to see more on how Fiverr service works. The next option is Logo Joy. And so let's see if I put my name in again, get started. And there's actually a video using Logo Joy that I'll link to up above as well. All these function fairly similarly. And so here they want to pick 5 logos or more that I like. Let's just go through it, pick out the first ones. Pick out the color scheme that I want. How about green? And no slogan. I'll make suggestions for symbols. Or let's skip this step for now. And so you can see, they're going to put together a bunch of different designs for me with different icons and shapes and font sizes, and you can customize all those. Let's just go with this one for now and buy. And so you'll see with Logo Joy you have a basic option, the premium and enterprise, and I think they do have a couple of different upgrades as well within each one of those, and you can get a designer to make tweaks to them, but this is kind of the basic pricing here. And the last option is Tailor Brands. I can't spell my name. Design. Industry, personal, brand. All right, this one got it right. Just name-based, icon-based, initial-based. Let's go with name-based. And then choose the ones that I like. And so here's a handful of different options they give me. Again, with any one of these, you're going to be able to customize the font, the color, add icons, things like that. Let's say this is perfect, love it. So Tailor Brands is a little bit different here. So they have a monthly or annual service where if you keep paying for it each month, you can go in and make tweaks and change the colors and do a whole bunch of different things using their service. So if it's billed annually, they're gonna bill you for $120 with this plan. This one would be, $48 essentially. Or if you just pay for 1 month, the basic is $10 and the standard would be $40. So you could design everything, download it, and just pay these prices and not continue to renew it month over month, and have your logo done for these prices. All right, so those are 5 ways that you can design a logo for your business, which all cost less than $100 each. And the great thing about 4 of the tools, so Squarespace, Wix, Logo Joy, and Tailor Brands, is you can use the tools for free to play around with, try to design a logo. If you find something you're happy with, that's when you actually pay to download the files. And if you don't find something you're happy with, you at least have a better idea what you're looking for, which will help you when you do talk to a graphic designer and you're telling them exactly what you want in your logo. Also, I'd really like to hear from all of you what tool you end up using to have your logo done. If you leave that down in the comment section. Also, if you're not going to use one of these tools and you want to hire a graphic designer, let me know and write graphic designer down below as well. If I see a lot of that, I can actually do a video related to how to find a freelance graphic designer. There's a whole bunch of other places you can look online to find someone to help you with your graphic design work. If it's a logo, thumbnail for a YouTube video, or just any other type of graphic design that you need. So I'm definitely happy to do that video if it's helpful for all of you. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, you can subscribe to our channel up above here. That way you're notified every time we put up a new video. If you want to watch another video right now, there's one that's recommended for you up above in the corner here. And if you're interested in learning more about building a web page with Squarespace and you want to take a free course, I'll link to that down below here. Until next time, bye-bye.